In this short video, I'm going to share with you how you can screen for good Canadian dividend stocks in less than 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, less than 5 minutes. I'm going to use a simple, free, and popular Yahoo Finance stock screener for this purpose. By the end of this video, you will be able to shortlist a handful of good Canadian dividend stocks that you can research further. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dividend. Please remember that I am not a financial advisor and this video is not meant to be an investment advice of any kind. Let's get started and see if we can do this screening in less than 5 minutes. You can add and delete anything you want depending on your situation and your needs. So we will do a quick search on Yahoo Finance Stock Screener and that will take us to this screen. And we will click the first one, which is the stock screener Yahoo Finance. You can see there are a lot of pre-built stock screeners already, but we are going to create a new screener. So press that and we are going to equity screener. So we are going to pick the region as Canada. So region, we will delete this and we'll add Canada. Close this window. And we will only be looking at mid cap, large cap, and mega cap stocks. You can see now that there are 3,439 stocks in Canada listed here. And we will pick mid cap, large cap, and mega cap. So that reduces our results to 404 stocks. We are also going to look at price greater than 5. So we are not interested in penny stocks. So from 404 stocks, it went down to 398. For the time being, we are going to delete the sector and the industry portion. And now we are going to add a few filters. Let's add average volume 3 months filter because we want to make sure that the shares are liquid and we are going to have an average volume of more than 50,000. And now our stocks have reduced from close to 400 to about 191. Now we are going to add few more filters. And the first and the most important one that I am thinking of adding is the consecutive years of dividend growth. I'm only interested in the stocks which have been growing their dividends for the last 5 years. So I'm going to profitability ratios and dividends. I'm going to click this consecutive years of dividend growth. And I also want to click forward dividend yield where I will enter the percentage that I'm interested in. We'll close this window. Now consecutive years of dividend growth greater than, I will type in at least 5. So now my number of stocks have gone down from 191 to 48. And I also want to have a dividend yield more than 2%. So that reduces our number of stocks to 33. I would like to add few more filters. So if you want to see which are these 33 stocks, you can click Find Stocks and it will give a list of all the 33 stocks. This is a list of 25. I will add, say, show 100 rows. These stocks are sorted by market cap. But I want to add few more filters, which I'm going to do now. Add another filter. The next one that I'm going to add is the price to book value. If you appreciate the kind of information I provide for you in this channel, please support it by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps my channel. Thank you for doing it. Price to book ratio measures the market valuation of a company relative to its market value. And I will scroll further down here and I will show you what I'm going to say. The P by B ratio, anything below 1 is considered an undervalued stock. But value investors may often consider stocks with P by V value under 3. So I'm going back here and I'm putting it under 3. So this is actually less than 3. And now my number of stocks have reduced to 31. Now I'm going to add one more filter, that is return on equity. I'm going to close this window and I will say greater than 10%. And that reduces my number of stocks from 31 to 19. Return on equity is a measure of company's net income divided by its shareholders' equity. It's a gauge of a corporation's profitability and how efficiently it generates those profits. You can play with these numbers as you wish, but I want to keep it greater than 10% for now. And now you can see find the stocks, and these are the 19 stocks. I'm not saying that you should go and buy them right away. This gives you an idea to do further research. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching it until the end. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.